Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub, and today I'll be talking about how to extract text from an image file. So if you have an image that you want to extract the text from, here I have an image in here that I want to extract this text from. So this is an image that I can't copy the text because it's an image. So if you are facing such issues and you want to, just get the text out of the image, then kindly watch this video. So open your browser and search for online OCR. So search for this online OCR. Select the first website, that's onlineocr.net. So yeah, that's it. So in here, tap on the select file to select the image file. So tap on the select file. Then select the file that you want to, extract the text from. So after you've uploaded the file, select convert. Tap on the convert button. So kindly wait. Yeah, so after that is done, you realize in here there is a download output file. There's a blue. Tap in here, you realize download output file. Tap on the download output file, and that's it. So your smartphone will download the converted file on your phone, and you can open the file, and the text will be extracted from the image, and now you can do whatever you want with the text. So this is it, and you can edit it, make changes and everything. So that's how simple and easy it is to extract the text from an image. So if you find this video useful and helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and also give a sweet comment. See you in the next video.